to this short video. In this video, we are going to look at how we can find stock footage for our Premiere Pro projects. We'll know what stock footage is. We'll know how to look for whether it's royalty-free or not. We'll know how to look for the certificates, whether we need to accreditate or give credit for whose video it was. With that, friends, let's get started.
So when we use video that we find online, there's several different forms it could take. The first form is that you have to pay for the video, and you have to pay a royalty to use it every time it is shown. Some videos you'll find and you have to attribute, meaning you have to say in the description or the credits that this video was used via this source. The third are videos that are free to use and do not require you to attribute where you got them from. And we'll look at all of those today. So there are three main sites that I use to find stock video. Let's go through what they are. The first one that I like to use is called Pexels, pexels.com. And let's say that we were doing a video, a promotional video on beekeeping. We want to look at why bees are good and how they are used and how they are farmed. So we go to Pexels, we type in our videos, and we're looking for bees. And you can see that there are lots and lots and lots of videos of bees, whether we want them in the wild, whether we want them being farmed. And let's say that I want this video. Click on that, and it brings up the video. Yeah, I like that one. I want to download it. Now I'll go up here, click download, say thank you very much, and you can see that it is downloading the video. Another site that I like to use, searching for free videos, is PicksAB. Again, we want to look for our bees. And that took a little while to load. You can see here, this top banner is kind of grayed out. Those are ad videos. Like, oh, I really like these. But you can see here, it's from iStock, and we get 20% off if we use this coupon. But these are videos that we have to purchase through a different site. iStock is one of their advertisers. Scrolling down gives us the free videos from PicksAB. And you can see that just holding my mouse over the video kind of gives me a preview of the video. Ooh, that's the one that I like. Click and download you. And you can see I've got a bunch of different choices on how I want to download it. I want the 1920 by 1080. Download. Thanks to our author. Thank you very much. So when I was talking earlier about the licensing, you can see over here, it says it's free for commercial use. Free for commercial use and no attribution required. Some videos will make you list the attribution, which is crediting who I got this video from. The third site that I want to show you is Mixkit.co. Click on videos, and we're going to search for bees. Thank you very much. Again, you can see at the top we have this gray banner. These are videos from Envato Elements. Envato is a great site. However, it is a subscription-based paid site. I personally don't have a subscription to it yet because I don't do enough video editing. If I got into doing more video editing, I would absolutely pay the subscription fee for Envato. For the music, for the videos, it is a terrific site, but it is subscription-based. So we can scroll down to check out the free videos here on Mixkit. And let's check out this one. All right. And we can check out our attributions, download this free stock video clip for commercial or personal use. Commercial use means you are free to use it in any paid source, or personal use. You want to download this video. Thank you very much. So we've just seen three different sites that you can go to find and use free stock video in your projects. And this is not a comprehensive list of the sites that are out there. These are the sites that I personally use. iStock is a good site to use. Some of their videos are free to download, not a lot of them. But if you download them without paying for the subscription fee, you get a little watermark. Let me show you what that looks like. So this is a clip that I downloaded from iStock, and I didn't pay for it. and I don't need to pay for it. They let me download it for free. You can see it has this iStock watermark in the background. That's fine. For use in this class, watermarked footage is just fine. If you were working with a client, you might use the watermarked versions, and then once the client has signed off on it saying, yes, this is what I want to see in my video, then the client would pay you to buy the footage. You could download the non-watermarked version.
So there you have it. We saw how to use 3 different websites to find stock video, how to look for whether we need to give credit for the filmmaker who created that video. That's all for this episode. We'll see you in the next one.